There was a girl, she was preparing for the NEET. Okay, she was raped by several student or teacher there. When the SP, okay, when they still on the file in the police station, what happened then? They just asked, SP asked the relatives of the girl, take your case back. Okay, when it came to public, so the what do you call?
You can tell in Hindi, we will help you.
उसकी फाइल में लिखते हैं ना,
हाँ, हाँ.
ये होता.
So it
The matter was
was
changed.
it was documented.
It was documented.
हाँ.
Documentation.
So was there any falsification?
there was falsification of प्रशासन.
हाँ, तो आपको ये बोलना है they falsified that.
They falsified. The matter was changed. The
हाँ.
way of killing that girl was changed in that file.
So
In that
was that SP not punished? After that, no. You can see it on your phone.
But it is happening now. I'm talking about
I
happening.
also saw one
You
case.
know what? In any government like Congress or BJP, you can't do it on what is
Sit
happening.
straight,
If,
yeah.
if something is happening, then government should take actions over that, and it should not be repeated next time.
When government is, why should people think about this? When government is like this, like BJP, so called, okay. First thing comes. Why should people think about these things? This mind, this ideology, this idea should not strike in our mind. First, forget about punishment.
Gentlemen, I want to tell you that people can think anything. You know what the slogan of Congress is? Was once Rajiv Gandhi said, "Na जात पे ना पात पे मोहर लगेगी हाथ पे." But it should not be like that. It should be like, "Na जात पे ना पात पे मोहर लगेगी हाथ पे, ना जात पे ना पात पे इंदिरा जी की बात पे मोहर लगेगी हाथ पे." आगे थोड़ा पढ़
Okay. Take the support.
ना जात पे ना पात पे इंदिरा जी की बात पे मोहर लगेगी हाथ पे. But it should be like, ना जात पे ना पात पे इंदिरा जी की बात पे मोहर लगेगी हाथ पे. तो अपने पुरखों की बात को धर के लात पे ले आए पार्टी फुटपाथ पे.
Yeah.
Initially, Indian National Congress was the leading party in India. It was created in, I think,
After independence.
it was created before the independence. 1885. It was created in 1885, and it has lost its reputation, credibility to achieve nowadays. Why Congress is not getting or not taking seats in every state, in which like Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan, Congress is also losing nowadays.
Brother,
So is it a
Congress,
stigma?
Congress collabed with
And you
Tamil
know
Nadu. Collabed with Tamil Nadu. And let's say talk about seats, the people who are educated, they are giving vote to them, not those people who are supporting only the religion. Okay. If I talk about reputation, we are talking about reputation. So our India, just because of Modi ji, now he has been insulted from the Telegram. The BJP has stopped Telegram till 22, I think July or June. Today. Now the owner of Telegram has insulted that party instead of
Keep this chair here. Yes, continue, please.
consolidating your party, you are just you're stopping the Telegram. Okay? Now your reputation of India is on the peak just because of Gandhi ji.
Yes.
You are insulted about Modi ji.
It was the slip of tongue. It's okay.
I have a 2% of the opposite of the BJP. One
Okay.
is the media.
Hmm.
So media is our fourth pillar of the democracy. What I have seen in the BJP, the freedom of media is not as compared to the Congress.
Okay.
And second question you mentioned about the employment. So BJP employment. What my question is that BJP introduced the Agniveer. So it is good for the youth. It creates
Yes, it is
employment.
good for
so
the youth.
it will create employment or unemployment. So this is my two
It is
questions.
creating.
Wait, give him a huge round of applause. Very good question.
You know how it is creating employment?
But sit properly. Come ahead. It is looking awkward. So please come ahead. And please, these people can maintain some space, little bit, so that he can be accommodated. Right? Yes. Now, no side chat. Yeah, answer the question publicly.
Before the Agnipath scheme was introduced, there were most of the salary was going into pensions, and people were not retiring
So
from the
why do you say
army.
people?
People were not retiring from the army or government sectors. So it was, and no new employment were creating at that time. So government introduced Agnipath scheme, in which a person can work for 4 years, and after that 4 years he will be retired with a compensation of 12 lakh or 13 lakh from the army.
Yes.
11
11 lakh rupees.
It is 11 lakh.
Very good.
Then with the help of those 12 lakh, he or she can buy good quality of home, and also he will get reservation in Delhi Police, Delhi Police, UP Police, in every government sectors in central.
Okay.
And also,
Sir, I have counter question. He mentioned about the
Yes.
payment after the retirement. But my question is that your leader became the two-time MLA or MP. They got the two-time pension. But in our army soldier who give their life on the border and he playing with his life, so he does not get a pension in the future. So